your girl InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel. Hello guys, how are you all on the other side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, doing an unboxing guys. So Jox will unbox his latest purchase, which is the kingsadventure. It's a brand of kingsadventure guys, and it's a camping fridge freezers guys. So it's a 45-liter fridge guys. So meron siyang freezer din sa loob guys. So Jox will unbox this fridge guys for today's video. So guys, are you excited? What are we waiting for? Happy watching!
My name's on that side.
Hi guys! So Jox have a delivery for today. So it's a King's 45-liter fridge freezer. You don't need to tell us what you will use on this in the future. Don't tell that. Don't spoil it.
Oh,
first.
yes.
Okay, so Jox bought this one guys.
Yeah, I bought it about 2 weeks ago, and I've had a few other things come along with it. So I think I've had about 4 deliveries today. One of them, actually 2 of them actually belonged, like, were accessories to this. So I'll take it out of the box, but there's like a cover that goes around it. So when you've got it in your car, it pretty much reflects a lot of heat or keeps it even cooler and has it perform better. And I've also got a couple of cords and tie-down straps.
Okay, Jox, can you show them what's inside of this huge box?
We've tried moving. I'm not sure if I have to pull it straight up or if I just cut the top here. I mean, I've got my trusty scissors here, so...
You don't have cutter, you are poor guys.
Okay, looks like... Yeah, I'm not sure which one you do, but anyhow. Trusty scissors.
Hi first, Jox. Hi first to the people.
Hello.
Yes. Jox bought another shopping area.
Jack scissor hands.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. So it is quite large.
So we have a fridge, guys. This is an affordable fridge.
Yeah, so in the meantime, it means that if we're going camping and whatnot, we'll have this available for us.
That's the huge box, guys. You can see.
So
yes, guys.
large.
So this one.
So yeah, completely brand new. It's actually, it's from 4-wheel drive Supercenter, but it's actually their brand new model. So I think it should open up. Actually, from what I can gather, you can actually open up both sides. I'm not sure if it's still like labelled. Oh, no,
So the brand is King's.
Yeah. Let me see if I can figure this out. There's a little... Apparently, oh, there we go.
So we have a freezer, guys. See?
It's actually a combination fridge freezer. So I've actually the wiring diagram. It's upside down there.
Upside down, guys.
So it looks like you should be able to open this both sides. So depending on what side you're on, I think you just... Oh, there you go.
Ooh.
So it's got like a dual lid. So depending on what side you're on...
Oh, they have the...
I mean, that's the specs there. So it actually runs both off like your car cigarette plug. And also you can plug it into your normal house adapter as well. So on this side here, there's one plug. That's just like the 12-volt socket. So there's an adapter I've got in there, but it just means you can plug it into both sides of the fridge. So it's actually got like really good heavy-duty handles too, because I'm sure it gets heavy. This here fits 45 litres, I think it says in the box. So yeah, you can put stuff here, you can put stuff down here. There's a drain plug there if you've got liquid in it, but yeah, the good thing is you don't need to use ice.
How heavy is this, Jox?
I don't think it's too bad. I mean, I was able to lift it. I'm sure it probably says, no, it's not too heavy. I'll probably say less than 20 kilograms. And then on this side here is where the business is. So I'll lift it up. Oh. So I think this is the Ace. This has AC on it, so that's the AC adapter, but it looks like your standard kind of like kettle computer kind of cord. One of these DC. I think this is the same as the other side, so it gives you two options of how you mount it and where you plug it in. And also because you've got the lids that can open both sides as well, that kind of gives you more flexibility. This one here is USB port.
USB port, guys.
So if you got this plugged into your home or your like plug socket, then you can actually like plug or charge your mobile phone off there. You've got your temperature control here. You've got your eco or max mode. So again, if you have it on eco mode, it just uses less power, but max will like try to cool it down as quickly as possible. The battery monitor here lets you sort of have it automatically cut off so it doesn't drain your batteries down too much. But it's a combination. I think the temperature probably sits there. It's a combination fridge freezer, so you can either have it as a fridge or you can have it as a freezer, but you can adjust your temperature sort of in between. So if you go shopping to the market or whatnot, you can actually like put all your stuff in here and even freeze it by the time you get home, or at least keep it cool. Or I don't think it says there, but there's a lot of videos online that show you how much you can fit in there. But yeah, you can probably like fit like 80 cans, or I can't remember the exact measure this one here had.
Can you pull this one and show them?
Yeah, so you've got obviously like a food basket, so if you've got stuff at the bottom, you can easily pull it out.
Yes.
And yeah, that's like a drainage plug, so if there's like ice or whatever forms there, or any water, you can just drain it out without having like the whole thing upside down.
Very deep, guys. Is this aluminum?
Yeah, I think it's like an aluminium foil. It kind of feels cold. I bet there might be a light. I'm not too sure. I'm guessing.
Guys, very sweet.
So yeah, that's the fridge itself. So again, it locks in place. So this is the new model where it's got like this recessed edge there, so it actually kind of fits in and just keeps a better seal on it, so things stay cooler for longer. And I'll be back shortly. So this here is the bag you put it in. So if you go in the back of your car, this here, I'll open it up because that will give you a better view rather than just trying to peek in through the holes.
So this is the bag, guys, of that fridge.
Yeah, it's like an insulation bag, but you put this over the fridge, and if like the sun's hitting it, it just means that the fridge won't get as hot, and it will just help keep it cooler for longer.
Okay.
So it's just extra insulation. So you can see here it's got the holes for the handles. I'm not too sure where, but I think there must be stabilisation legs underneath, and then that there would be holes for the the fan on the side.
Very thick, guys. There's some like a soft.
Yeah, there's like foam bed. You've got the reflectics on here as well, so it just helps keep it cooler if it's in the back of your car.
Yeah, it's fit on the fridge.
So yeah, so that's it there. So, and I've got a couple other accessories, but they're not too sexy.
Okay, Jax, what's that?
So this is one of the accessories I got as well. So this here is the fridge cord. So this runs off 12 volts, so your car. And on this end here, it's got an Anderson plug. So usually with the normal cigarettes style plugs, they can sort of fall out quite easily. But the Anderson plug here, just usually there'll be a matching one on the other end. So I'll plug this into a battery box, but it just keeps a firm connection there and won't fall out by itself. And this one here is tie-down straps. So obviously you got in the back of your car, you don't want it to slide. Oh, it comes out this way. So yeah, obviously you don't want it to slide around, so you just find an anchor point in the boot of your car, and then you can then wrap these around it.
Oh, okay.
So I think
strap.
Yeah, so I think these will fit. I think it's over the handle itself, and there's 4 of them in this container here. And I think all you do is like you find the tie-down point in your boot, you wrap it, you go underneath that, bring it around, put it through here. I should have actually figured out how to do this first. So I think, yeah, you just bring it through, you draw it down, and then, yeah, you can pull it tight like this. So you just pull it tight, and then I think you tie it from 4 points, and it just means that it won't go sliding when it's in the boot of your car. So yeah, that's all branded there as well.
How many straps you have?
There's 4, so I think you're meant to like anchor it down pretty much like 2 from each handle and kind of pull it down from the side. So you get 4 there. And I think in the back of my car, I think there's 4 hooks, so I should be able to maybe put it to one side. So you can see on the buckle here, it's got like little teeth on it, so it just means that it's not going to come loose.
Yeah.
So it's just to help it stop sliding, and this one here does have that plug on it. So this here, on this particular side, so this will go on both sides. I think there's only one way it goes in. There's like a little notch on there, so here. Looks like it just pushes in, yep. That goes in there, and then this will go into the top of the battery box I bought. So this will just go in. I think the battery box has multiple inputs. So yeah, just plug that in, and that will power on.
Okay.
Oh, good times.
Good times. Yaksa 4 of these guys.
I think that box I got over there. I don't know if it. I'll probably put this in the garage anyway and put it next to the fridge.
Very tight.
Where the thing is. So yeah, that's the cord. And this is the accessory box comes with it. Oh, I thought it was my phone. So this is the box that was inside. I'm guessing this has just got the cords that come with it. I'm guessing it will have the plug I just showed you, but it will have like the standard cigarette socket, and there'll probably also be like a 240 volt wall plug in here as well. So I'm gonna try not to destroy the box for now, even though I'm sure I will later on. So you have the manual. So it comes in. So this particular size, they do have multiple models, and this is their brand new model. So you can tell that it's thicker insulation. It's got a rubber seal around here. So this one's got extra features that some of the previous models don't. It's a bit more heavy duty, and I guess as it's gone on, they've improved on things. So this is a 45 litre. There's like a 90 litre one, which will be like double the capacity of this here. So it must be absolutely enormous. So that's the user manual.
Yeah.
And these are the two plugs. So you have your standard 240 volt plug. So again, that's the Australian version with the two angled prongs and the one down the bottom. So look at that. And then the other one, you can see it's got the same connection on that end. And then there's your cigarette style plug. So in theory, I could plug this into the back of my car because I do have a cigarette socket in the back. Or I can also use the other plug I got there, and that will plug into the battery box. So that way I don't drain the main battery of the car when I sort of turn the car off. And also with the battery box, it means that it can still run even though it's not connected to power. So that's it there. And now we'll dress this up. I'll figure out how to put this box on. And
Okay guys, so now we are here in our garage guys. So, kasi dito namin nilagay, sinet up muna yung binili ni Jax earlier, yung nakita niya na 45 liters na King's freezer and fridge siya. So, dito sinaksak namin siya guys, here. So, ito siya. Andito siya guys, sinaksak muna namin siya. Tapos, ayun na nga, lumamig naman siya sa loob. Chinek namin. So, here siya guys. Pipindutin nyo. Tapos, so, ayan siya guys kapag nakasaksak. So, ayan. So, ngayon, malamig siya guys. Malamig. So, ayan. May lamig siya here. Ito na siya kapag na-set up na siya. Pag sinaksak na. So, ito, malamig siya guys. There's a aluminum style siya. So, pwede siya dun sa kabila buksan. So, dual siya. Ayan, isasara muna natin. So, pwede siyang buksan dito too. So, ayan, diba? So, baliktaran siya. In short, baliktaran siya guys. Pwede siya sa likod buksan. Pwede siya sa harapan. Tapos, ito yung handle niya. Yung in-explain ni Jax kanina. Tapos, ayan yung saksakan niya guys. You can see here. Ayan. Kapag nakasaksak na siya. Tapos, ito. Yung handle niya on the left side. So, ayan siya guys. Ayan na siya kapag na-set up. So, for the meantime, dito muna siya sa garage. Ayan. Kapag may ilalagay kami, just in case, o kaya kapag mag-barbecue kami far away na guys. So, if we are allowed na to out of our bubbles, out of our radius to travel, we can bring this King's freezer guys. Yes, this is a camping freezer guys. Fridge. So, ayan na guys. So, that's it guys. That's Jax unboxing his latest Adventure Kings 45 liters fridge freezers guys sa loob. Nakita nyo kanina yung mga user manual, yung warranty, yung cable niya, yung adapter niya guys dun sa loob. And I'll show you also how to set up that one. And kung after namin sinaksak siya guys, malamig ba? Okay ba? Worth it ba? Yes, I think it's worth it. Why? Because it's very convenient. Portable siya. So, pwede nyo siyang dalhin sa inyong car. Since we are going to use this fridge in our future plans. So, we are lot of plans in the future after our state's restriction will ease. So, binili siya ni Jax kasi gagamitin namin siya sa future kasi at the moment, state borders here in Australia are not allowed to travel in different states. So, and we have still a bubbles, which is we have a radius not to travel from the other areas, other places. So we are only allowed inside our bubbles or our radius for travel or going to that place. So meron siyang mga depends sa inyong necessity or kailangan nyo ba yung mga malaki? There's a 45 liters, guys. There's a 60 liters, 75 liters, and 90 liters. So, 90 liters is like a overkill na yun, guys. If you have a big, like a vehicle or a car or a truck or something, a motorhome like that. Pero kasi kami ni Jax, it's only like 45 liter is fine with us. Hindi naman namin kailangan yung madami guys. So, hindi rin namin kailangan ng grabe kalaki, diba? So, ayun yung loob niya guys. And maganda lang siya for mga storage ng food, ng delis, ng meats, and mga drinks namin guys. Ganito kapag pupunta na kami sa malayo, ganyan, mag-camping kami dito sa loob ng Australia, guys. So, that's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy watching and you learned something today, guys, on Jax unboxing, guys. So, thank you very much for watching and thank you very much for listening. And mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify all my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And mwah. Ciao lang.